Hi everybody, today we're going to do a science experiment. Now, Violet and Eleanor, you did this with me in class, but you were the only two who got to see it, and it's pretty fun. So we're going to do it again. Yep, you need a balloon. I got a balloon right here. You need a balloon, you need a bottle of soda or fizzy water, and you need a packet, at least one packet of Pop Rocks. I have 2 packets because it's more fun. So,
and there's more flavor.
There's more flavor. We're not going to eat this experiment, though. It will taste very gross by the end of this process. But first I want to ask...
We are going to put balloon in.
We're going to use a balloon. What makes soda and fizzy water special? What's inside of it?
Soda!
It's soda? What makes it soda? Why isn't it juice? Do you guys know?
I don't know.
No? Okay, what makes it soda is the bubbles inside. And the bubbles inside are made of carbon dioxide, which is what, Miss Maya? What is carbon dioxide? If you take a big breath, air. Good, if you breathe in and you blow out, the air you blow out is carbon dioxide. So, congratulations, you made carbon dioxide all on your own. The other thing that uses the same thing, carbon dioxide, is Pop Rocks. I wish you were here so I could give you a little bit to taste because it is so weird in your mouth. It goes pop, 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 pop in your mouth because there are little bits of carbon dioxide in here. And when you put it in liquid, like the wet in your mouth, it releases all those bubbles. So there's bubbles in here, there's bubbles in here. Thank you for the balloon. Now what do you think is going to happen when we put Pop Rocks inside the soda? You think it's going to pop? Okay, and I'm going to put the balloon on top. What do you think is going to happen to the balloon?
I don't know. It's going to blow up.
You think it's going to blow up? Let's see. Now, what Bethy just did is she made a hypothesis. That is a good guess to see what happens. And the experiment is try it out and see what happens, right? So we're going to do an experiment. We have our hypothesis that it's going to go pop, 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 and it's going to blow up the balloon. Let's see if Bethany was right. Okay, open this up. Because once I open the soda, I want to go kind of fast.
Why?
All right.
Why?
So I'm going to open it and see what happens.
I'm stepping way back.
Okay. You can already see there's bubbles in my soda. Okay. So I'm going to pour the Pop Rocks in. In they go, in they go. Whoa, you can see there's lots of bubbles going now. Told you I had to be fast. Whoa! And guess what? Guess what's happening to the balloon?
I was right.
Bethy was right. I also made a big mess. So if you're going to try this at home, make sure your grown-up is with you. Look, there's a lot of soda inside the balloon. I don't know if you can see that. It's bubbling inside my balloon.
Hold it up?
That actually did not happen the last time. I was a little bit faster.
It cannot go way up.
It's going way up high. It's going and going. I want to see how big this balloon is. And I want to see how long the soda is inside the balloon. I'm going to move my hand a little bit so you can see that there's still soda in the balloon. Can you see it sloshing in there? That's kind of funny.
I want to hold it.
Yeah, it's going, it's going. This is kind of big. You can feel it, huh? So you can see all those bubbles going and going and going and going. You can hold it together. Let's see. Now, if you listen, can you girls be quiet a second?
Get what on it?
I'm going to hold it close so they can hear it. You hear all the popping? But it's starting to slow down. If I move my hand here, you can see that the bubbles are no longer racing up. There's no more soda inside the balloon.
Fall off.
Because what happened is all the bubbles got released already. The air is in the air. It got released. So, but what I'm curious to see what happens, so we can see how big the balloon is right now. What happens if we add another packet of Pop Rocks? Should we see, girls? Should we take this off and add one more packet? Okay, I'm going to take this off. Yeah, I saved 2 packets. It squirted me. Okay, here's the second packet. Are you guys ready? Let's see if I make another mess. Miss Maya is so good at making messes. You know that. Okay, here it comes. I'm going to put the balloon back on. Okay, it is. It's bubbling again. Is it bubbling as high?
Yeah.
No, it's not as high. We have barely, well, it's starting to blow up a little bit. But do you remember last time it exploded the bottle? There was soda in our balloon. There were bubbles coming up, 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 up. And this time there's not so much. That's because the bubbles in the soda were already used up. We already released them, okay? And so we didn't have as many bubbles to work with. But it still sounds really cool. I'm going to hold it close to them for a second so they can hear. All right, and that is our experiment for today with soda, Pop Rocks, and a balloon. So if you want to try that at home, those are the 3 things you need. All right, see you later, guys.